Hello everyone. On the request of my students, I have decided to explain all my PPTs which are on slide shares. So first of all, I will be starting with Java Unit 5 Part 1 PPT. In this, the contents are what is web design pyramid, building websites, user perspective, content for evaluation of a website. So first of all, now, what do you mean by web design? Of course, you know that your websites are there on web, the web on the internet. So they needs to be designed. So web design, they need to be designed for something. So it refers to the design of a website that are displayed on the internet. It usually refers to the user experience aspect of website development rather than software development. Web design used to be focused on designing websites of desktop browsers. However, since the mid 2010s, design for mobile and tablet browsers has become ever increasing important. A web designer works on the appearance, layout, and in some cases, content of a website. Appearance, for instance, relates to the color, font, image use. Layout refers to how important is structured and characterized. So what actually they want to say is that the web design should be so much that apart from your desktop, it should even be visible on a mobile, that is a small device, as well as on the tablets. So the design should be that ways. Coming to web design pyramid, so actually this is the theoretical part. You can read it, it's very easy. I explained the diagram part of it. See, this is the web pyramid. So it is the like this is the user, which is the visual, it's doing the forum, the content, this is the middle part is the content part, and then the designer is there, the function technology is going on, and finally the main purpose of it. So building websites, now this is very important. There are basically 7 steps for building a website. So number 1 step is goal identification. You should always identify the goal for what purpose you want to make a website. Then come the scope definition. You should be knowing the scope of your website which you are making. Suppose I decide that my goal of making a website is that I want to open a boutique online, right? In that, I must know that the boutique dresses should be available to how many scope, like only in Meerut or in UP, that ways. The scope definition should be there. Sitemap and wireframe creations. So sitemap should also be there, same the location wise. Then content creation, the content should be very good, whatever you're writing on the website. Then visual effects. Visual effect means photos, picture graph, videos, whatever you're doing, that should give a nice effect. Testing, you must test whether it's working properly, your website after. And the launch part is when you launch it, it works again in the proper manner. It doesn't have any error or any problem. Coming to the user perspective. Now, what does user perspective means? User perspective means we need to understand how users prefer to interact with the website and what are they thinking of. Like users like quality and appreciate credibility. Now you understand the quality means like we buy clothes, like the branded clothes are very costly. So user perspective should be taken care of. So you must maintain the quality of whatever website you're making, right? Users scan beyond they read. So users will understand beyond what they read. Okay. Then online users are very important and they need immediate answers. So online users, of course, they are very important and they need immediate answers. So whatever, like chatbots are now, the machine is talking to you whenever you message, and then you getting your output from a machine and in a nanosecond. So that is what they are saying, that the user need the response very fast. They are like, they don't want to wait for some time. So users like to have all the control, and the user want to have all the control. As you can see in online shopping, we are tracking that where our parcel is, what location. So that is. Then content for evaluation of a website. Now how you evaluate the website that your is the best website? These are the some points for evaluating. That is accessibility. Your website should be accessible from all over the world. Accessibility is there. Design, it should be a very good design. So you can know that if the design is not good, you don't prefer to going to that site. If you see a very untidy design, you don't want to see it again, right? So the design should be very interesting and very attractive. So the content should be good, right? Technological aspect and interactivity, like technology wise also it should be good. And interactivity means basically how you interact. Like if I talk in my class and only I'm speaking and my students are quiet, so it's not an interactive section. So that ways, if you shop in Amazon and you buy a product, so it says, okay, you have purchased this, in your cart there is so much. So it should be an interactive website. Creativity, originality, it should be creative of original, it should not be copy paste from anywhere. So thank you. I hope you understand this part of my work. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.